Day in the life of an unemployed 24-year-old who makes 100K a month. Let's get it. I woke up today to $2,045. It's gonna be a pretty chill Friday. I'm gonna get my classic workout, pull a hot tub steamer sauna combo, and then my girlfriend's gonna come through and we'll see what we're gonna do from there. Let's go. Okay, clutched out a quick shower. We made it on time, exactly 1:45. We are on point. Let's go. Okay, Allison, where are we going today?
Subway.
Why?
I don't know. I have a craving for Subway.
She's gonna get Subway. I don't know why she's craving it. I think Subway's kind of nasty. I used to eat it every day, but she told me it tastes like soggy bread, and then I can't untaste it.
I take that back. It's not soggy.
So I'm gonna get Chipotle after she gets Subway. So let's go. How'd you rate your week?
My week was like a 2 out of 10. Dress and stuff, personal stuff. I'm glad that it's the weekend and I get to just finally chill.
I agree. I'd say mine was like a 4.5. I think we were talking about it earlier. Fueled with a lot of rage and anger this week, trying to get my sales team good, but we gotta work on that.
You should go to a rage room.
Nah.
Where you just smash a bunch of stuff.
Nah. So we're gonna try to work on being a little bit more joyful, fun, and passionate next week instead of strictly with rage. So all good. Anyways, off to Subway. At the Christmas market for the holidays.
Yes.
What
It's like,
what country is this
it's like
again?
Scandinavian.
Full winter mode. We got the photos. So we waited like 45 minutes.
For like an hour.
Or maybe an hour. Was it worth it?
At least we made it. I thought we missed it. So yeah, I guess it's worth it. But if you come early. Come at like 5.
Hey, I was the one that said we should have been here early.
I didn't know there were gonna be this many people here. Like everyone and their mom is here.
Alright, we just got back. Rada cooked the lady some dinner, but before we do that, we're gonna watch a little Christmas movie. What movie are you watching, Allison?
Meet me next Christmas? I don't know. We'll see.
About to head off to bed, but you already know official numbers for the day, $3,834, which is pretty cool considering like I didn't even touch work today. Like pretty much I was hanging out with my girlfriend most of the day, enjoying the holiday season. So always blessed and always grateful to be in the position I am now, where it almost feels like I just attract money. Like just money comes out of thin air and it just like comes to me whenever I feel like spawning it. It wasn't always this way. Like when I was a kid, back in 2019 when I first started, like I was grinding my ass off, sending like thousands of cold emails, cold calling, and even sending like thousands of cold DMs, and I couldn't really land a client until like I figured out the right systems. And then once I landed that first client, scaled it to 10K a month, eventually 100K a month, and now I have a whole team, automations, and all my systems are dialed in to the point where I don't even have to look at work on like a random Friday, as you see here, and still be able to make $3,800, as you see here. But don't worry, I don't gatekeep. If you are interested in learning the exact business model I do, as well as how I'm able to make all this money without doing all this work, I just made a free course breaking out exactly how I made $2 million profit just typing messages on my phone. And you can do it too, or make like 3 to 4K a month from home if you want. It's on YouTube. Just check out this playlist right here and get a pen and paper out because it's gonna be insane. So again, check out this playlist right here and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.